Kejingelang kenhun menteri ke sorkar MDA 2 haka khan riu trip yang arajar riu kala rai ban penlong ya ka Ktien Khasi bat Ktien Garo kum ki Ktien sorkar lani official language. Hapa pentip sekilat pathai kubor ukon rat ke sangma u menteri rangba ka jella hadian kejingelang ula pentip bala menjur ya ka Meghalaya official languages ordinance 2026 ban penrong lang yakini ki artli ki jat Ktien kum ki Ktien sorkar. Shosho umentri rang ba uloang barling ba kane karai kan plilat ban penon kam yaga Ktien Khasi bat Garo haki examen baper. Halor ke jing penrong yaga Ktien Khasi bat Garo haga kernet ke bapra jongkariti sensar umentri rang ba uloang barling ba kane kasin jam kin sia Kren bat ke sorkar India. Umentri rang ba uloang bakin don ki jing penbet ki badon kam bat andaladap ki MLA Ïing Dorbar Thawaiñ ru.
I'm very happy and very pleased to inform our citizens of the state that today the cabinet has made I should say historic and a very important decision which will impact the overall functioning as well as opportunities that will open up especially for the youth of our state and also help in promoting our languages. Today, the cabinet has decided that the Meghalaya Official Languages Ordinance 2026 was passed and the Meghalaya State Language Act 2005 was repealed. Under the new Meghalaya Official Languages Ordinance 2026. The main point is that from now on, apart from English, Khasi and Garo language will also become official language of the state. With this very important and landmark decision, this will facilitate the process of allowing Khasi and Garo language to be used in most of the government communications and also in the due course of time. And when I say due course, I mean very, very shortly. Necessary amendments will be made to relevant acts, namely the Meghalaya State Legislature Continuance of English Language Act 1980. Once amended, will also enable our legislatures to speak in Khasi and Garo and debate in Khasi and Garo language apart from English, even during the assembly sessions. This decision will also pave the way for different important examinations also to be held apart from English in our own local languages, which is Garo and Khasi. This will of course not happen, everything will not happen immediately. The process will take some time. Certain decisions will be much more easier to implement immediately. Certain decisions will require logistical setups to be created, manpower to be employed, and different infrastructures to be created, rules to be created. But as I said, the decision today will allow all of these things to fall into place.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus f menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya